So if you have clicked on this video might be meant for you if you are just like me, but I don't want you to be like me. So if you are that witty visionary woman coach that want to have it all, an expensive identity, an expensive business, an expensive clients, expensive sales, expensive relationship, where you want to have it all without shrinking an inch of who you are. So welcome to this video. I'm going to share with you one congruent point that get you everything which you desire. Most of the women coaches believe that when they are starting out, or if they have been in their business, or even if they have already set up their business, they feel that they have to adapt themselves around the current marketing version, because this is the set version, this is the set standards. They have to show up in a certain way. The message needs to be in a certain way. Their voice, their text, their content needs to be in a certain way. Their offer need to be in a certain way. I believe I am the biggest example for this, where in my business I felt that nothing in my business was working for me, in spite of me doing everything right, me implementing all the marketing concept like content strategy, irresistible offer, ideal client, master classes, live launches, but nothing worked. And there was a voice, that was an inner voice reminding me that this is not your way. You are not here to convince. And moment I stepped back and reflected a lot of things, an aligned way, an aligned voice, an aligned message came to me. And with that alignment, with integrating the same alignment in my business, where slowly I started feeling that my aligned self is now running my business. And this is the point I felt so much connected with my identity, who I am, with my message. And this is where I got everything. This is where I got aligned clients, visionary clients. Sales felt like an expansion where I don't have to convince anyone, but leaning back in trusting my genius, sales happened more naturally. And this kind of development gave me that newer lens of into my relationship also. So now from that one alignment, I got expansion in all of the areas in my life. This is somewhere I feel that business is also kind of a system, just like school, where each children is given the same treatment or the same system to learn the things without considering the particular design. So I would say this is a marketing by default, not by design. So I have two opinions about this, that who the hell delivered this. I would say a surface level, same cookie cutter marketing to high ticket, where it was not meant for the big yeses, more natural, expensive kind of sales. Or I would say it was delivered by coaches who were not went into that depth and just passed on to like copy and pasting. So that was the marketing from outward to inward. But when you apply the marketing that goes from inside to outside, that kind of you feel the most connection with yourself, with your identity, with your soul. So most of time I see, after working with visionary coaches, what I found is that so many intelligent, powerful coaches who feel in their bones, the coaches who belong to 1%, they kind of building on marketing that is from outward to inward, in spite of going inward to outward, right? And making marketing complicating for them, because it's not their fault also, because they couldn't see until they are into it. Once they are into it, they can see that simplification, that where their marketing, their sorted marketing, their aligned marketing, their entire message and positioning becomes their content also, becomes their sales teams also. So it's that congruent point where it starts from your identity, where you instead of thinking that I have to shrink my message, I have to shrink my soul voice, I have to shrink my authentic expression, I have to shrink my philosophy, simplified way I have developed with my skills, with my genius. So the moment you trust your philosophy, your expression, your message, your lived genius, and continuously repeating that, trusting yourself, standing rootedly in your identity, in your lived genius, everything start expanding. The right clients can see you as the aligned solution. They can see that this is the coach. This is the coach that I want to work with, align the most with me. And then when you stand fully in your message, fully in your lived genius, that make you the big yes invitation. This is where the sales become an invitation, because instead of you convincing people, or I know my people don't convince, but there is a kind of need in the body to convince why the sale is not happening, why I should better learn sales skills, or I should better learn objection handling. No, you don't have to do anything. You just have to stand fully in your messaging, in your lived genius messaging, and leaning back in trust, leaning back in your message. And this is where sales happens most naturally. So this is the one congruent point where your identity, where your marketing message and lived genius and the kind of clients you want to work with all comes on a same congruent point. And this is where you become that invitation for the kind of clients you want to work with. And this is where you stand out as one person, not because you want to be stand out, but because that message that only came from you and not coming from everybody else. So this is where people can see that this is the coach that is making a lot of sense. This is the coach having an aligned solution, an aligned pathway, which I myself wanted to have it. That congruent that you can have it all. You just need to stand rootedly in that expensive identity, trusting her with her genius, with her philosophy, infinite expression, the authentic expression, still sticking to your brand agenda or brand message. You can have it all. So it's just you need to trust your expensive identity, which can get you all.